Hi everyone, it's Christy. I'm here with a flip through of our altered board book using the March subscription kit from Pink Monarch Prints. All the information is in the description box below. And I'm hoping that you guys are getting the right kind of light to see this project. I have taken several board books and cut them apart, and we've covered them with the paper and used the ephemera from the collection to decorate them. So I will start here. We have just a couple of pieces of background paper, and this particular board book had a hole in the middle, so I put the image back here, made sure that poked through there. This does have just seam binding, and it's just tied together. And so let's just look through. I want to make sure that I'm got you where you can see. So the pages will lay flat. This one I've just kind of put a little collage here. This one has some our little focal point, some lace trim, and make sure my light is covering, and I need to make sure that I can, there we go. And then there is a little pocket here. This says rise, not arise. And then here we have a horizontal, well, we have a little pocket here. And then we have a horizontal pocket here with a little journaling spot there that just fits inside that long pocket. Here we have a stacked pocket. There's a few tags here, lots of journaling space, front and back on most pieces. And this piece fits in the second pocket, and then they are kind of tight, but they will loosen up. And then, of course, this little tiny tag, some lace, some of the words. Everything in here is from the collection from Pink Monarch Prints. This, I made a little tiny kind of a flip-up notepad type journal spot, if you will. You could either rip these pieces out and use them elsewhere, tuck them in pockets and whatnot, or you could use that simply for journaling. And here we have another stacked pocket. This one I left open so that larger items can be placed in the back. And there again, we've got this tag with journal space on the back, and a smaller tag. This one says joy. On this side we have a super simple that was included in that collection, and basically it's got 3 pockets here with all these little spots to journal, which is fun. And this flips over, and there's more pockets and little tags and tickets and things on that side. There's a little cluster circle here that becomes a tuck spot. We've got a large tag with journaling space and another card with journaling space. Also, over here we have another long pocket with a vertical pocket, well, a vertical card with a side tuck there, and then a long pocket with a tag. And then here we have a triple pocket page. Has these tags that go in the top, and I'm not going to take them all out, but you get the idea. And then there is a little pocket here as well in the front. Here's another one of the stacked pockets. We have the lots of journaling space. You can write here, you can write here. on the back of everything. And then here I've included another one of these journaling notepad type things. And then on the very back is this flip up, flip down. So there's a collage on the front. I'm going to have to slide this around. When you flip it up, there is a pocket with a couple of journaling cards. Lovely and happiness. And then you can flip this. Well, these are tags here also with journaling spot on the back. 3 of those. Choose to be kind. Then this flips open and there's a pocket here with a little girl tag, journaling both sides. And then there's more journaling space here. So lots of room to write, lots of room to add things. And I just thought it was a fun little thing to put together. I think I am going to have to loosen some of these little ties a little bit. But I don't want it to be too loose where it's falling all over, flopping all over the place. But I do want it to be, and for the most part, it lays pretty flat. So each page, yeah. So you just kind of have to wiggle it and finagle it. But that is our altered board book, and that was quite fun. I think I'll have to make another one of those. And I used, like I said, I used 5 different books to make this one. So that was pretty fun. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and don't forget everything's in the description box. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye now.